Good morning students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment on the topic of Nazism and rise of Hitler. So let us see the first questions. Where was the Hitler born? So Hitler was born in the country Austria. Austria. Actually we think as Germany became a Hitler Chancellor of Germany, we thought he was born in Germany, but actually he was born in Austria. Let us see the second question is, name the party renamed by Hitler in 1990. So he was initially joined in a party, afterwards he renamed that party as Nazi party. So that party name was German Workers' Party. Germans Workers' Party. Let us see the third question is, what was the significance of Enabling Act? So Enabling Act which gave a complete powers to the Hitler to rise as a Chancellor of Germany. So he can himself rule the country without any support from the parliament or any support from the his other members. So in such a way he can rule the country with by issuing the decrees. So let us see the answer is the Enabling Act. Enabling Act enabled Hitler to sideline the parliament and rule by decree. Sideline the parliament ruled by decree. Decree means government order or some order from the higher officials. Okay, let us go with the next question is, when was the Enabling Act was passed in Germany? So when such an important act was passed in the Germany, that was in March month in 1990. So we can see the answer is 3rd March 1933. On 3rd March 1933, this Enabling Act was passed and it was given most important powers, almost all the powers to the Hitler. Let's go with the next question, that is 5th question is, name the country occupied by Germany under the slogan, one people, one empire and one leader. One people, one empire, one leader. So under this slogan, Hitler is able to merge the country, that is Austria, into Germany. So the answer is Austria. Okay. Before go to the next answers, let me erase the board. Next, 6th question is, who was given the responsibility of economic recovery by Hitler? So a person was recruited by the Hitler to economic recovery from Great Depression situations in Germany. So his name is, he was actually is an economist whose name is Hjalmar Schacht. 6th question. An economist Hjalmar Schacht. Let us go with the 7th question is, in which year Germany invaded Poland? In which year Germany invaded Poland? in the month of September 1939. Actually, might be Hitler did not expect that attack on the Poland may turn into as a World War II, but unfortunately that attack was turned into as a World War II, which was happened in 1939 in the month of September. Let us go with the next question is, name the place where Soviet Red Army inflicted a crushing defeat on Germany. So in which place Red Army was defeated the German army, so that the entire German fame was come down. Means until then Germany was in a rising hand in the war, but after that defeat gradually Germany is caused to defeat in the World War II. So that is the place name is Stalingrad. 8th answer, Stalingrad. Let us see the 9th question is, how did the Second World War end? Actually, Second World War end with the two incidents. First of all, Germany was the main responsible country for the outbreak of World War II, and even World War II ended after defeat of the Hitler in the month of May. At the same time, you can see in the month of August, USA attacked on Japan with the 2 atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So with the Japan surrendered to the Allied powers, so World War II was ended. So let us see the answer is in 1945. In 1945, May Hitler defeated, and 1945 month of May, Hitler defeated. This is one of the cause. USA attacked on Pearl Harbor. Pearl Harbor is the base, USA base. In Japan. So here, by Japan. USA attacked on Hiroshima in Japan. Let's go with the 10th question is, which incident persuaded the USA to join the war? So, what incident was made or forced the USA to join in the World War II? That was actually where Japan attacked on the Pearl Harbor, which is the base camp of the USA on Pacific Ocean. So that is caused to death of some civilians of Americans. So obviously USA was joined in the war. So let us see the answer is Japan's unprovoked. 10th answer is Japan's unprovoked attack on US base on Pearl Harbor. In December 1941, persuaded the USA to join into the war. So this attack by the Japan, unprovoked attack on the Pearl Harbor, which is actually belongs to the America. So obviously America also joined in by 1941. So this is the key for today's children. Thank you and have a nice day.